What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to find the molar mass or molecular weight of barium nitrate. The atomic mass of barium is 137.33. Nitrogen is 14.007. Oxygen is 15.999. How many barium we have? We have just one element, nitrogen, 1 times 2, so it's going to be 2, and oxygen is 3 times 2, which is 6. So that makes it as 137.33. This one is 28.014, and then for 15.0999 times 6, that makes it 95.994. That makes it as 261.338 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass or molecular weight of barium nitrate. Please leave me a comment if you have any question.